Hello, welcome to my YouTube tutorial where I create educational content for software engineers. So today I have received a new technology that I'm going to experiment for the first time, and I'm going to see how it works. So what is it? It is a FlutterFlow. So if you know that I've been covering video about Flutter, and I am so excited about Flutter technology. So this tool here help you to create Flutter without writing any code. So let's go out and see how it works. So not that I'm looking for this for the first time, so a lot of things that I'll be exploring that I don't know how it works. So of course I'm going to sign up. I think I need to create an account here. And can I create an account with Google? That can be easy for me. And let me see. So let me create an account, and I think it's going to create an account for me. So so now it's going to ask me some few questions. So this is the first time I'm using this application, so of course it's going to ask me some questions, and this question really help for them to understand what type of users that they're using this application. So I understand this. So I'm a designer. Oh no, I think I like design, but I'm not a designer. And I'm a developer, entrepreneur, and project manager. I think that's it. What is my skills? I am advanced, of course. Am I advanced? I think I'm a medium Flutter, so I'm going to put it to medium. So what are you looking for to get FlutterFlow? You know what I'm doing, building multiple apps, just looking around. I think I'm just looking around. So I'm going to click done, and voila. So I have my first account created. Now I can create my first flow. So what I'm going to do is to create a new, I think this is a new app, and the first thing I'm going to do is of course to choose the template. So this is something, if you have ever used Cordova or something like that, you know that they give you a template that has everything, like the tabs and the navigation, everything you want in order to get started. So you can see that I can clearly see that there is a lock here, which means that you need to pay this in order to use it. I'm not sure, so I'm going to just click this one because this one looks like Instagram that you can be building. So I'm going to use this template. I think for now they are going to ask me to upgrade to a premium feature, which is not something I really want, and I don't have the money for that. I can create it on my own. So leave that, because you don't plan to create, to upgrade your account right away. So the first thing you can do is just to start with a blank screen. So I think this will be so fun. So let me call it main, because this is my main application that I'm creating here. And I'm going to create our first project. So this is the first time I'm experimenting this technology and see how it works. So how is it going to work anyway? So I think the first thing they're going to take me through is just to explore how these interfaces is just working. How does it work, and how does it they're going to walk me around this application. Again, this is very good for user experience, because you need to understand the application before you even use it, and this is really clever. That's something I really love it. So I'm going to just keep go to tutorials, and I don't want this one. Okay, now my blank screen is just here. So now you can see that I can start building my application without having to write the code actually. So what they're doing actually behind the scenes is that they have coded the widgets so that when you drag and drop to a specific page, they know where you're dragging that to, where you're going to drag to, which help them to create the application from scratch without you knowing that you are writing any code. So the first thing you need to do first is just to preview the application you're building. So the first thing is just click the preview, and of course it's just obvious something you need to do. So the app is clean and concise to the point of what you want to do actually. So once you click on previews, I'm going to wait that. So but you can see that here we have different widgets. So if you don't know about Flutter, it's just sort of like widget. Everything in Flutter is considered to be a widget. So the way widget really works is just you stack the widget on top of another widget, and on top of all widget you have the three, which is just the parent of all widgets you have. So you have the children, ancestors, and so on. So I don't want to go too much technical there because we are not writing the code manually, which I do. By the way, if you want to build application that is going to solve a problem, let's say WhatsApp or something like that, so probably this solution I'm showing you here is not going to be helpful to you because you need more customized code that you're going to have maximum control about it, and also you need to have the access layers of databases and so on. So that way I recommend for you to write the code from scratch. So let me see my preview here. It's still loading, so you can see that it's showing the preview in a nice iPhone 11 Pro. So I can even choose a different things. I can, for example, choose a Galaxy S20 and Pixel S3a. So I'm going to leave it to iPhones, and I'm going to go back to this tab, and I'm going to just drag and drop something on here. So what am I going to do is I'm going to find let me see. So this is a here button. So let me put a button here, so just you can see the demonstration of what I'm trying to do. So you can see that this button is showing that I can add a title here. So I think I can click there, and I can go to here, and I can change the title. So I think okay, let me change to title text, I think. So let me change to Richard, which is my name. So once I change that, I can even change the subtitle. But the important things I want to show you is if I can be able to preview the code that the drag and drop I'm putting on the screen. So let me see there. So okay, what do I need to do then? So should I refresh the page so that I can see? Oh, there's somewhere I can okay, I think the first thing I need to do is to preview again. So I think that is the first things I noticed, that whenever I change something on the flow page here, whenever I change something on this side, I need to go back to the preview, and maybe I need to refresh. Let me see. But to me, my first impression was that I don't need to refresh the page. In fact, I don't need to go to the second page just to see the preview. So what I need is just to be able to see the change as I change them. So I think that's something that they can improve there. And yeah, so that's how you can do that. You can drag and drop everything, and the good things with that, you can connect with Firebase. So I think I don't have the right time for now. Maybe I will create another video for this, but you can create the application entirely from scratch, connecting the Firebase, and do a lot of stuff actually. So, and you can connect screens and so on. So I think you can even toggle the code just to see what the code base that has been written. So yeah, I think for now that's what I can show you. And I think it's a nice thing if you want to know how something is done before jumping to something really serious. And yeah, I think that's what I can cover today. Thank you for watching my video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hope to get new content as I get a time to create those content for you guys. Please stay in touch.